How are you today?
I am very well, thank you.
Where are you from?
I am from England.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on May 10th.
What is your nationality?
I am British.
Where were you born?
I was born in London.
Are you a student?
No, I am a teacher.
Where do you live now?
I live in New York.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a small apartment.
Are you married or single?
I am single.
What languages do you speak?
I speak English and a little Spanish.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Maria.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am very happy.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What is your brother's name?
His name is James.
Is your brother older than you?
No, he is younger than me.
What do your parents do?
My father is a doctor and my mother is a nurse.
What do your parents do?
My father is a doctor and my mother is a nurse.
Do you have any sisters?
No, I do not have any sisters.
Are your grandparents still alive?
Yes, my grandmother is still alive.
How often do you see your parents?
I see them every weekend.
Does your brother live with you?
No, he lives in a different city.
Do you have any children?
No, I don't have any children yet.
Is your family large?
No, my family is quite small.
Who is the oldest in your family?
My father is the oldest.
Do you look like your mother?
Yes, people say we look very similar.
What is your mother's name?
Her name is Catherine.
Does your family have a pet?
Yes, we have a golden retriever.
What is the dog's name?
His name is Buddy.
Do you like family gatherings?
Yes, I enjoy them very much.
Where does your aunt live?
She lives in Chicago.
How many cousins do you have?
I have 5 cousins.
Are you close with your family?
Yes, we are very close.
What is your profession?
I am a graphic designer.
Where do you work?
I work in a design studio downtown.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I find it very creative.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by subway.
Is your office far from your home?
No, it takes about 20 minutes.
What do you do at work?
I create logos and websites.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I only work from Monday to Friday.
Do you wear a uniform?
No, I wear casual clothes.
Who is your boss?
My boss is Mr. Johnson.
Is he a kind person?
Yes, he is very helpful.
Did you go to university?
Yes, I studied at art college.
What was your major?
My major was visual arts.
When did you graduate?
I graduated 3 years ago.
Was the university difficult?
It was challenging but interesting.
Do you want to change your job?
No, I am happy with my current job.
Do you work in a team?
Yes, I work with 3 other designers.
Do you have a lot of meetings?
We have 1 meeting every morning.
Do you use a computer at work?
Yes, I use a computer all day.
Are you busy today?
Yes, I have a lot of projects to finish.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I always eat breakfast.
What do you have for breakfast?
I usually have cereal and coffee.
Do you exercise in the morning?
I sometimes go for a short run.
What time do you leave home?
I leave home at 8:15 a.m.
Where do you have lunch?
I have lunch at a small cafe near my office.
What time do you finish work?
I finish work at 5:30 p.m.
What do you do after work?
I usually go to the gym or go shopping.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I like to cook my own meals.
What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner around 7:30 p.m.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
I rarely watch TV. I prefer reading.
What are you reading now?
I am reading a mystery novel.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I prefer tea in the evening.
How often do you clean your house?
I clean my house every Saturday.
Do you go to bed early?
No, I usually go to bed at 11 p.m.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I usually sleep for 8 hours.
Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I use my phone as an alarm.
What do you do on Sundays?
I usually visit my parents or rest.
Do you like mornings?
No, I am more of a night owl.
Do you take a nap during the day?
No, I don't have time for naps.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am a little hungry.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Can you cook Italian food?
Yes, I can cook lasagna and spaghetti.
Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't like spicy food very much.
What is your favorite fruit?
I love strawberries and bananas.
Do you eat meat?
No, I am a vegetarian.
What do you drink with lunch?
I usually drink water.